Ever wondered how topiary artists create their masterpieces? Welcome to the fascinating world of topiary, an ancient horticultural practice where shrubs and trees are sculpted into artistic shapes. It's a journey from Roman times to our backyards. It's not as complex as it seems, anyone can do it. Before you start, gather your tools and materials. You'll need wire frames to guide your design, sharp clippers for precise cuts, and of course the right plant species, resilient and apt for shaping. With these tools in hand, you're ready to start. Creating a topiary involves a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First, you need to select the right plant. Evergreens are a popular choice due to their ability to hold a form and their year-round appeal. Boxwood, yew, and holly are some great options. Second, you shape your plant using a wire frame. The frame acts as a guide, helping you envision and achieve your desired shape. It could be a simple sphere or something more intricate like an animal or a character. Next comes the fun part, the trimming. Using sharp secateurs, start from the top and work your way down, following the contour of the wire frame. Remember, less is more. You can always trim more later, but you can't put it back once it's gone. The final step is maintenance. Regular watering and trimming will ensure your topiary stays healthy and holds its shape. And there you have it, your very own topiary masterpiece. That's all there is to it. We've uncovered the art of topiary, from the basics to the essentials, and even a step-by-step guide. Now it's your turn to give it a shot. Channel your inner creativity and transform your garden into a living sculpture. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!